have been keeping something from you. You may have seen it from other YouTube videos of me wearing this stuff. You may have seen it on my Instagram or stuff from friends and knowledge and stuff. But I haven't told you guys on YouTube that my business is called Rise, where I sell 100% recycled plastic bike jumps and a bunch of clothing line stuff. And it is out now for you guys to order. It's been out for a week now. It's been very busy and chaotic. I've had some orders. It's been great answering lots of your questions. If you want to ask me some questions, go onto Instagram and search up rise.bike on Instagram, and I will be replying to any of your messages on there, inquiries of what to expect, sizes and anything. But most of all, go to rise.bike, www.rise.bike on the search engine, and you'll find all of the Rise stuff there. Hope you enjoy it. It's been really busy. Go check it out. Right.